I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to remove a card from your Chime account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon in the top corner. Step 3. Select Manage Cards. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Manage Cards. This will show you all the cards linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the card to remove. Find the card you want to remove from the list and tap on it. This will bring up more details about the card. Step 5. Remove the card. Look for the option to remove card or delete card and confirm your choice. Be aware that this action is irreversible, so double check before you proceed. Remember, if you accidentally remove the wrong card, you may need to re-add it later, which can be a hassle. I hope this guide helps you manage your Chime account more easily.